Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this prom look. When I think of prom, I just think of like a glittery lid and like peaches and purples and stuff like that. So I combined the two today for a really shimmery lid and a purple crease. I used a bunch of Sugar Pill products today, and I also used this fun Pinky Rose Cosmetics palette for the eyeshadow. So all of these products can be purchased at Riley Rose. I'm so excited to try some like smaller brands that Sephora doesn't carry. You kind of like forget about them just because they're not as like easily accessible, but now they are at Riley Rose. So if you want to see how I got this prom look, just keep watching. So first I'm going to be starting off with the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Transition Palette. It looks like this on the inside. So first I'm going to be picking up the shade Sunny as my transition and then deepening it up with Yes Girl. And then I'm going to be popping Plum in my crease. To prime your lids, you can pretty much use any concealer. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette, picking up the yellow shade so it cancels out all of the redness and the blue and purple veins that I have showing through on my eyelid. So once we have a nice clean slate to start with, now I'm going to be going in with my Morphe blending brush and the shade Sunny from this palette. And I'm just working that into the crease. Next, I'm using the same brush and I'm dipping into Yes Girl. And I'm going to be packing that on the outer portion of my lid and then also blending whatever's left on the brush up into my transition shade. I find it's easiest to tilt your head back and look down into a mirror when doing your eyeshadow because then you can see your eyelid while your eye's still open. Now I'm switching over to a pencil brush and the darkest shade Plum, and I'm just going to be focusing this in the outer V of my eye, so I'm actually taking it down onto my lower lash line and then right in there. And then just switching back to the blending brush to blend that out. And I'm just sharpening up the outer portion of my eye. And then I'm also going to take the shade really thin all the way in, and that's going to form around my cut crease. Now I'm just going to switch back to my blending brush with no other product on it and just buff that out. Then I'm going to dip back into Yes Girl and go over that one more time. And then dipping back into the light brown shade Sunny and putting that up there one more time. Now I'm just going to take a clean, super fluffy blending brush. This is one of the ones that comes in the Anastasia eyeshadow palettes. It has no product on it, and I'm just going over all of that to make sure all of the shades blend together seamlessly. And for my lower lash line, I'm going to do the same thing. First I'm picking up the shade Sunny and loosely putting that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going in with the shade Yes Girl and just focusing that on the outer portion And then switching back to the pencil brush and going over where I already drew in Plum. Okay. Now that everything is all blended, I'm just gonna pack a little bit more of Plum on the outer portion of my eye. I want this part to be pretty dramatic. Now I'm gonna be taking a really tiny concealer brush and cutting my crease. And again, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit for that. Now I'm going to be using this Sugar Pill loose pigment. I just love this brand's packaging. It's so cute, this cute little box it comes in. And this says Hi Cutie right there. And I guess the Sugar Pill, everything has like a medicine like cross on it right there. And so does the lid of this. You totally can't see it because it's white, but it's like engraved and it's so cute. So now I'm going to be going in with this Sugar Pill loose pigment in Penelope, and I'm going to be taking a really tiny brush. This is from Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics, super tiny, and I'm just going to dip into the product that's on the lid. And I'm just going to start packing that on. I have to get really close into the mirror to just see this top part. I'm also going to take a little bit of that shade and put it right down here. Next, I'm going to be using my NYC liquid liner to draw my wing. This is my favorite liquid liner. It's so easy to use and it dries so matte, so it always photos really well. However, they discontinued it, or like the entire brand is discontinued. So I actually order it off Amazon. Hopefully they still have it. I order them like 5 at a time. So hopefully I'll like never run out, but I actually should like put another order of 5 in. If they still have it, I'll link it below. See how easy that was? It goes on so smooth. It's so super black. It's the best. Now I'm just going to apply a light coat of mascara and pop my lashes on. For bottom liner, I'm going to be using my Inglot Gel Liner and a really small Sigma E06 winged liner brush. Lastly, to finish off this look, I'm going in with the shade Trinket, also from Sugar Pill. This is my first time actually using a Sugar Pill liquid lipstick, and I'm obsessed with how like smooth and creamy it just went on my lips. It's not like dry, it's not like too thin, but it's not like too thick and like slimy. Like some liquid lipsticks are like thick and slimy, so it's not like thick like that. It's like thick and creamy, and it just went on so nice. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to see how it dries down. If it like, oh, and look, there's little reflex in it of like this copper shade. That's probably why I picked both of them up. I actually grabbed both of these Sugar Pill products at IMATS, and those are the first Sugar Pill products I've ever like tried. And then Riley Rose just sent me a Sugar Pill lipstick in a package recently, but it's blue, so I haven't really found the need to use it yet. But again, I'll show you. The packaging is the same. It's so cute. Again, sticking with the cross, it literally looks like a pill, and blue, so that'll be fun at some point. Actually goes really nice with my background, but not for today. And next, to complete this full prom look, I'm going in with the Coconut Body Glow from Kapari. This can also be purchased at Riley Rose. So that completes this look for today. I hope you enjoyed this prom tutorial. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye.